Hey friends, it's Rish and I am back with another episode of Adventures with Rish and Taman. I'm right now, this is the pre-wash of my locks. I'm not going to show you guys how I wash it and get all this lint out because I already have a removing lint and wash day routine on our channel. So if you want to go see that, I'll be sure to link it. Okay, so as you guys know, I'm 37 weeks pregnant, which means a little baby can come out any time now. So I decided it was the perfect time to do my labor hairstyle, and I'm hoping that it will last for the next like 2 to 3 weeks if she does make her appearance within that time. And this will just be an easy stop for me to refresh. So I'm also going to zoom through my retwist, and I am using the homemade sea moss hair gel. And yeah, so I'm going to just do this retwist really quickly, and then we're going to get into the actual protective style. So the first step for the protective style is to twist my locks together 2 by 2 and then rubber band them in clumps of 5 because I do have medium locks and I didn't want my twists to be too big. So I put them in clumps of 5 because I know that I can separate those to cover it up with the actual hair that I'm going to use for the protective style that I'm going to do, which are just some really lightweight jumbo twists. So as I'm retwisting and as you are retwisting, you can just go ahead and rubber band your locks in groups of either 4 or 5 depending on the size of your lock. The next step is to take the hair and to do it like you're doing a Senegalese twist. If you have done one before, then you know that you're like twisting counterclockwise and then you twist both of them together clockwise. For this method that I'm using to cover my own locks, I just braid the very top and then I use the hair and do the tuck method. So I'm literally wrapping my locks with the hair on as I split them in 2, and then I'm just twisting both sides together. And I am gonna do a slow-mo for you guys, regular speed, once we get to the front of my head so you guys can see how I do it just regular without the speed up. But I just wanted to get through the back before I showed you guys how to actually do the twist in slow motion. And this hairstyle, my retwist what really took like 2 hours, but the hairstyle itself and putting in the twist literally took maybe 40 minutes. It was such a quick go-to hairstyle, and because of the hair that I'm using, I will link it down in the description box. The brand that I use, it's so lightweight, which is perfect because I do not have thick locks, and the last thing I wanted was to do a protective style that would result in my locks thinning out. So this was the perfect style for me, and I would definitely be doing this again. Okay, and now time to slow it down for you guys. Okay, so I put the hair in half and then I just braid it in at the beginning. And then I split my locks in half and I start to wrap the hair around both clumps of locks. And then after both sides are wrapped around, I just twist them together. So simple, so easy, so fast. Definitely like an easy easy style if you want to just mix it up a little bit with your locks, or if you're like me and you're preparing for labor but you don't want to have to deal with, you know, a frizzy retwist or anything like that. So yeah, and I'm going to show you guys how I do the next 3, so stay tuned and watch for that. And that is it, you guys. These are how my jumbo twists end up turning out. This is my first time doing this style, and I would definitely be doing it again. Maybe I'll do less twists next time and bigger like bundles, but yeah. Hope you guys like this video and like the style. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.